Namo Namaha. Welcome to the Kalidasa series, episode 7. And today we are going to talk about one of the most celebrated plays by Kalidasa, that is none other than Abhijnana Shakuntalam. Now, in this play of Abhijnana Shakuntalam, Kalidasa has taken the storyline from the Shakuntalopakhyan of Mahabharata, but amongst all the different opinions regarding Shakuntalam, one thing is there which remains near my heart. That is the fourth act describing Shakuntala leaving the hermitage. Now, in this place, when Shakuntala is found out that she is pregnant and now she has to leave to her husband's place, then all of the birds, all of the trees, plants, those with whom she had developed a very emotional relation. See the emotional development along with the nature here. The description, the imagination basically, that how we get emotionally connected to all the beings which can't even talk. Now, here trees are the living beings, birds are also the living ones, but they can't talk. But she has created the emotional bond with them so much, and now they are crying, they are feeling sad that she is leaving that place. And this is the only play which shows the emotional bond and the relation between the father and daughter. The way Kalidasa has described Kanva Rishi uh, feeling very sad, or his grief, or his sorrow that his daughter is going away. Though she is the adopted daughter, but the bond between them and the description of emotions is so beautiful, and the thing is so beautiful that it will literally feel you sad for both of them. Isn't it beautiful to include this very simple part, which is one of the very common and simple relations, father and a daughter, and he chose to speak on that, he chose to describe it beautifully. So, this is the most favorite part for the play, from the play for me. Now, tell me in the comment section that what is your personal favorite from Abhijnana Shakuntalam, whether it might be a verse or a scene or a concept which has been used there. Let us know in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned for the next episode of our Kalidasa series. Dhanyawad.